I love making sandwiches because they're easy and quick to prepare. And for this sandwich, it's going to be very delicious and worth trying. Over here, I have 4 slices of bread, some tomatoes, and I'm going to be using the free range egg and the regular eggs together with a few other ingredients. So to get started, you're going to butter your bread. Whenever I want a cheat meal, sandwiches are always the option because they are very delicious. So you're going to butter both sides of your bread. Flip so that you can butter the other side. I'm using softened butter to spread on my bread. You can also use margarine. The next step is to make our sandwiches. So you're going to place a frying pan over medium flame, and as the pan is getting hot, I'm going to crack in 2 eggs in my bowl. Next, I'm going to add in some salt and a pinch of black pepper, and I'm going to whisk everything together. Once everything is combined, I'm going to add in some butter and some oil. The cooking oil is going to help the butter not to burn. Spread the oil in the pan together with the butter. Then next, I'm going to add in my egg. Spread the egg around. I'm going to cook your egg for around 30 seconds. Then next, I'm going to place my bread on top. Check on my egg, and using my spatula, I'm going to flip. Wow. Then immediately I'm going to add in some tomatoes, just like that, and a slice of cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese. You can also use cheddar cheese. Using a spatula, you're going to bring in the sides of the egg, just like I'm showing you. Let the bread toast for around 30 seconds so that you can have that nice golden brown color. Flip my bread, just like that. This looks very perfect. Using my spatula, I'm going to press down a little bit so that the cheese can melt. Flip the other side. Transfer my gorgeous sandwich on my chopping board. Then I'm going to be making another sandwich. Add in my butter and some cooking oil. Crack in 2 eggs, very quick. Add in some salt and pepper. This is mine. I love a little bit more black pepper. Whisk the egg for around 30 seconds. This is going to create a lot of air pockets in the egg, so the egg is going to be very fluffy. Transfer to my pan. Let the egg cook for around 30 seconds so that you can have some lovely golden brown color on the bottom side. Before the egg is fully cooked, you're going to place in 2 slices of bread, just like I'm showing you. Then you're going to use your spatula and flip the bread. Immediately, you're going to add in some tomatoes, add in some cheese. Flip the sides of my egg just like that so that they can be aligned with the bread. And using my spatula, I'm going to flip the bread. After 30 seconds, I'm going to transfer my other slice of bread on my chopping board, and just look how gorgeous my sandwiches are looking. I'm going to be using a serrated knife to cut my sandwich in half, and you can hear the crunch. Slice my next sandwich. Now it's time to test my sandwich, and I'm super excited for this one because I love sandwiches. So good. My sandwich is looking very delicious. I love the crunch on the outside and also the golden brown color. The egg is cooked to perfection, and the tomato adds a very nice crunch once you bite into the sandwich. I'm going to be enjoying my sandwich for brunch. You can also enjoy for breakfast or snack on the sandwich as you move around the house, and it's totally going to be worth it because the sandwich is just delicious.